More Avanti fun.
All right, so if you guys recall, our spline was a little loosey-goosey. So, I'm going to drill it, tap it, and then put a set screw in it. Keep it from spinning, make it work, because we are under a time crunch. We do not need to be going and buying a bunch of stuff right now. So, because we don't have time. So let's make this baby work. Drilled. Now we're tapping. And we'll put our set screw in. All right, there's our set screw. We're gonna test it without the wiper, and then we'll put the wiper on and be done. Promising so far. Ta-da! This is why we make the big bucks. She's a beaut. Went for a drive. Happy, happy, happy. Give her a bath, load her up, and go to the Copper State.